Hi friends, today I'm showing you this XREXS wall and table digital clock. This is in red in color and it's like wall with the power adapter. So here you can see this comes like with the adapter, like the power adapter that will go with this wall, and the power adapter is for the global use because of the 120 to 240 watt. And you can see the manual that describe like everything in details. So in this clock you can see there is all the setting in the corner and the speakers, and then also the the table handle, so you can fix it on the wall or as well as on the table. And this have like some emergency use batteries inside, like just in case if power is out, then the time will be stored by this battery. And main power is through this power cable and adapter that you can put this adapter in and then put all this. So the good thing is that you can store this extra cable inside this pack and then just close it off, so that you can store all the extra cable, and only this the cable you use for the power adapter thing will come in place. So you can see it's a very large display and the bright display. The settings are pretty easy. So here you can see the settings are pretty easy to do, so you can just set it up. Here you can set all the times, alarm, timer, so you can use it 3-in-1 because you can use it as a clock, you can use it as alarm, and you can also use it. So I'm just removing it this polythene so that you can see the actual brightness of this clock. This is for the table, that you can use it on the table and put it inside, and so you don't need to put it on the wall. It comes with the remote, and you can see that this remote have all this brightness up and down, or this comes with the 2 AAA batteries that goes with it, and then you can control the brightness, the volume, snooze, all the time setting and everything with this remote. So this is how this clock looks, and it's pretty good with the time and stuff. You can use it on the wall and anywhere. Pretty nice.